Now, on the farmers' protests, it's over a month now that they're seated right there along the border areas. Prime Minister Modi tried to reach out to the farmers through the various speeches he gave on various platforms amid the raging protest that continues. The farmer unions have now proposed that they're going to be willing to hold a talk with the centre at 11 a.m. on the 29th of December. They're willing for talks with the centre over the farm laws. The decision comes right after the government sought a date and time from the protesters. Prime Minister Modi, in his outreach yesterday to farmers, urged protesters to come for talks, expressed his government's willingness to make amendments based on facts. Farmers maintain that they're not being misled and they claim that the farm laws will benefit only the corporates. They have nothing to gain. Protesting farmers had earlier blocked traffic heading from Ghaziabad to Delhi by putting in barricades in place, but now it's partially opened up.
किसानों के प्रतिनिधियों और भारत सरकार के बीच अगली बैठक 29 दिसंबर 2020 को सुबह 11 बजे आयोजित की जाए। बैठक का एजेंडा निम्नलिखित और नीचे दिए हुए क्रम में हो। मोडेलिटीज क्या हो रिपील करने के लिए एजेंडा आइटम नंबर 1, एमएसपी की लीगल गारंटी देने की मैकेनिज्म क्या होंगे और प्रोसीजर्स क्या होंगे आइटम नंबर 2। ये पराली वाला जो मामला है उसमें किसानों पे पेनल्टी का जो प्रोविजन है उसको इससे कैसे बाहर किया जाए, ये आइटम नंबर 3। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल जो है उसका क्योंकि ड्राफ्ट है उसमें किसानों के इंटरेस्ट को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए, उसमें क्या मॉडिफिकेशन हो ये।
Cutting across to Abhishek Anand reporting from Ghazipur border. Abhishek, farmers now finally agreed for talks on December 29th, 11 a.m. They're willing to speak with the government. This is possibly going to be the 7th round of talks. 6 rounds have fallen flat. We're hoping for some progress this time around.
Well, Nabila, there is certainly hope on the government side about the talks. Time and again, all the government senior most ministers, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, are coming out and trying to reach out to the farmers and telling them that these farm laws are for the benefit of the farmers. But all these different farmer associations, unions, who are staging protest at either Ghazipur or Singhu border or Tikri border or Noida border, all of them have made one demand, which is the first agenda. It's going to be the first agenda of the proposed meeting on 29th. The first demand is how the government is going to repeal all 3 farm bills. So the farmer associations, farmer unions are actually adamant on their demand of repealing of all the 3 farm bills. This is what they are going to do. They have made it very clear that this is what they are going to do in the meeting. As they have accepted the government's invitation, as the PM Modi said that the government is open to talk. So farmers are also saying that they are open to talk, but their demand is very simple. The first agenda of the meeting is how to repeal these laws. As far as the protest is concerned, Nabila, the farmers from different states are still gathering at different locations, all these locations.
Undoubtedly, the crowds are only swelling. People are coming all the more, joining in the farmers' agitation there. And we are seeing that what's happening at Singhu border and several other Tikri border, other border points, flash points where farmers are seated and there are that many more people joining in the stir. It's also the holiday season. One can only imagine people have the time to go and join in, show their protest, show their support to those protesters. In fact, now we see Rashtriya Loktantrik Party quits the NDA over the farm laws. This development comes in just a little while ago. RLP chief Hanuman Beniwal says he quits from the NDA, saying that he had requested the centre to repeal the farm laws back then itself, but he was never heard by the centre. Here's what he said. Let's take a listen.
क्या आपको लगता है मोदी सरकार वापस नहीं जाएगी 3 कृषि कानूनों को लेकर, उसकी वजह से आप छोड़ रहे हैं?
अब नहीं जाएगी तो नहीं जाएगी। मेरे पास जो हाथ में था, पहले लोकसभा की कमेटियों से इस्तीफा दे दिया, अब एनडीए छोड़ दी और किसान कौम को अगर आवश्यकता पड़ेगी तो लोकसभा सदस्यता से भी इस्तीफा दे दूंगा। ये मैंने वचन दे रखा है। हम भी हिंसा नहीं चाहते। अहिंसात्मक तरीके से जो किसान संगठनों का आंदोलन चल रहा है, हम उनके अंदर कोई पॉलिटिकल माइलेज लेने के लिए भी नहीं है। मैंने कोशिश भी खूब की, अमित शाह जी को, पीयूष गोयल जी को, इनको ये कहा कि आप किसी न किसी तरीके से इन बिलों को एक बार अबेंस में डाल दें, इनको रोक दें, किसानों से वार्ता करें, जिद छोड़ें। जब हमारी सुनी नहीं गई तो मैंने एनडीए छोड़ी।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.